If you're currently experiencing a fair amount of low back pain or sciatica, or you have a chronic history of low back issues where you have a tendency to throw out your back, I would be careful doing some of these balance exercises. And the reason is when you perform balance exercises, you're quickly creating these reflexes. And unfortunately, sometimes when you're doing that, you might be excessively moving through your spine, okay? And in doing so, it puts you at risk for developing a little bit of low back pain or increasing what you already have. So one of my big rules when performing balance exercises is to try and maintain correct posture as able. So on perfectingmovement.net, I have a very detailed video of how to get into good standing posture, but here's a quick little tutorial just to show you how to do it. So when getting into good posture, you basically want to be standing as tall as possible with the crown of your head to the ceiling, and you want to be drawing the pubic bone up towards the belly button as you bring the ribs slightly downward, but never perform a crunch motion like this. All right, so I'm up tall, and now I feel my abdominals tightened. To the best of my ability, I want to maintain my ear above my shoulder, above my hip, above my knee, above my ankle. All right, so you can see right here, I'm in good posture. You never want to be swaying back with your shoulders behind your hips. All right, and if you do happen to have a little bit of a forward bent upper back, that's okay. This happens to a lot of people as they age. Their upper back gets pushed rounded forward a bit. So if your head is a little bit forward, that's fine. But from this position, I would never want to see you sway back to try and get your ear above your hip. So a nice little rule, if you want to keep things very simple when performing these balance exercises, is tighten up the abdominals, draw the pubic bone up and into the belly button. That'll help protect you a little bit. You don't want to be so rigid that you don't allow yourself to move, but just keeping a little bit of that tension will help prevent you from tweaking your back.